Pare. Tayo to, Jonathan's Toys. Ito ang patunay na from humble beginnings, marami kang mararating. Basta maayos kang makipag-usap sa customer.
Oo.
Marunong kang makipagkaibigan sa toy community because this is more than just a hobby, it's a community.
Oo.
May sarili na siyang art toy. Balang araw, yung value nito, ganun pa rin.
Bababa. Oo. Tandaan nyo, mas kailangan nyo ng kaibigan kaysa pera.
Wala niya, oh. This is, I just became curious, no? Okay, nung bata kasi ako, ang lolo ko, meron yung parang wine dispenser ng batang umiihi. Hindi ko, yun ba yung inspiration nito? Or...
Well, marami po talagang mga, yung mga statue ng mga angel.
Okay. Okay, mga cherubim na umiihi. Okay. Okay.
Kahit yung kapitbahay po namin, sa may poste lang po sa...
Well, we all did that.
Standard naman sa Filipino kid eh.
Yun ang joys of being a boy. Poste, pwede na yan. Tomorrow, we will be going around the ToyCon. One of our selected stores would be Jedi Prime Collectible. 324.
Saka 320.
320.
Kabila.
Tagusan yan. And if ever you get a chance to catch me while I'm here and you're buying something, you might actually get either a limited edition na merch and even a prize. Dito tayo ulit sa katabi ni Jedi Prime din, Jonathan's Toys, 325 tsaka 3260. If ever nandito ako at nandito kayo at bumili kayo, you might get a chance to win merch or even special prize. So, kung ano man yun, malalaman nyo bukas. Okay, so dito tayo, Sith Guy Hobby Shop.
Booth R31.
Booth R31. Si Ezekiel. Uy! Di ko kayo maintindihan. If you're here and I'm here and you can answer a question, you get a special prize and maybe something else. So, see you tomorrow. Pag na-champuan nyo kami dito, come to this booth. What's up, Toy Fam, and welcome back to your Toy Dolly Cool channel. We're here at the SMX, here at the Mall of Asia. It's June 12, it's Independence Day, so palayain ang inyong mga pera because we are here at the ToyCon for 2026. It's a 3-day event. We're gonna be showing you what's inside, what's going on, how to register, how to get your tickets, and overall give you a bird's eye view of what's happening here at the ToyCon. So, natin patagalin. Let's go inside. Pasok na tayo. Tara. Okay, so we are here at the ticketing booth where you have two ways of buying tickets. You can either do it walk-in or you can do it through SM Tickets. I personally recommend doing it via walk-in kasi mas mabilis and you don't have that extra fee. At the same time, you can only buy one ticket at a time if you want to. For those of you who want to have official merch, there's a merch booth also, which hopefully meron silang size ko. Okay, tingnan natin. Hello. Ano po yung pinakamalaki niyong shirt?
3XL.
3XL. Pwedeng makita. Kasi yung 3XL ko oversized eh.
Hirapan ako mag-
Yan, okay.
Hirapan ako hanapin kayo.
Okay. So, Toycon PH. Very nice. Very black. Pwede pang everyday wear. Kaya lang it's announcing to the office, I'm a geek. And I love toys.
Yung mga ganyan ko, pinapasok ko sa opisina.
Oh. Be proud, di ba?
Hiya-hiya.
Oh. Geeks run the world.
Ikaw si manager pa ako.
Same. Yeah.
Alam na alam yun. Ito yung ganda, pag Pasko, alam na alam nila i-regalo nila
Alright.
sa akin.
Sige, we'll come back for some t-shirts later. Thank you. Ako, maho-hold up kaya tayo sa loob. This is the ultimate budol destination for toy collectors and toy fans. This is the 5th time that we are joining or we are participating. Hindi naman participating, we are coming into the Toycon. Paiba ng paiba. Paganda ng paganda. Right, I believe Alodia Gosingpao will be here. Diba? Wow. There are a bunch of artists na meron dito. So may mga singers, may mga performers. It's not just about toys. It's about the whole pop culture. And it's a subculture na hindi masyadong pinag-uusapan. Hindi siya BTS, hindi siya ano. This is another side of life na fun, wholesome, at hindi siya toxic. That's why I love being a toy collector. That's why I love coming to toy cons. May mga hassles. Pero mostly, you see people who like toys, who like to collect toys, and who find joy in the simple things. So tara, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Mabubudol ba tayo? Sana hindi tayo mag-over budget. Yun lang ang wish ng lahat ng toy collector pag nagpupunta ng toy con. Sana hindi mag-over budget. Isa pa sa mapapansin nyo sa toy con, you would find the most unique names ng mga stores. Like ito, si Utoys. Oh. Doon mo makita kung gaano ka-witty ang Pilipino. You know, find the fascinating names na cool, na cute, na play with words. Ang toy community, hindi lang siya tungkol sa toys. Tungkol din siya sa matatalino yung mga toy collectors eh. Kaya they come up with witty names and witty toy store names. So, hanapin natin, baka may makita din tayong mga sellers na matagal na nating suki. So, toy collectors come in different shapes and sizes. In fact, may nakita kaming PBA player. Hindi ko lang maalala kung sino, pero dati siya naglalaro siguro sa Alaska. Picture lalagay namin dito somewhere. Re-research muna namin. So, kay matangkad, kay maliit, hanggang 7-footer, pwedeng mag-collecta ng toys. Yun ang masarap dito sa hobby na to eh. Doesn't really discriminate. It's very inclusive. This is Artists, the Sprite Variety Show. Okay. What caught my eye, kasi I'm a collector of X-Men, this is fun because they have Cyclops, they have Apocalypse, and they have Juggernaut. But ang maganda dito is, it's one of one. Wala siyang katulad. So if you're into collecting things that only you can have, this is the way to go. In fact, the toy market is gearing towards this eh. From the regular Marvel Legends, mapupunta ka talaga dito sa, oh, I want to have something that only I have, only I own. And this is the way to go, I think. So may stickers na Star Wars, may Pokemon. So something for the older collectors, something for the newer ones. Actually marami na rin old na nagko-collect ng Pokemon eh. Pushing 30s na yung mga nagko-collect ng Pokemon eh. Parang siyang Kung Fu Panda na nagwala.
Marami rin siyang versions kasi po.
Okay.
Parang ito yung recent collab ko with Art Villain Factory.
Oh,
Ito yung nagka-collab ko.
okay. Parang may nabili ako kay Art Villain Factory. Sila din ba yung gumagawa ng mga bands? Yeah, I got that.
Tapos magkakaroon kami ng later po.
Oh, I have a Chester and I have a Chester and
Mamaya andito na siya hapon.
Chester and Mike Shinoda.
Ay, yung...
I got it from Jonathan,
kay Jonathan.
kay Pangs. Yeah,
Siya ang namin eh.
taga-push.
Taga-kalat.
I'll feature it on my channel also. I'll feature it on my channel because you know.
Later po, dito rin po siya later.
Oh, I'll come back. I'll come back. If you think the Toy Con is for male-dominated toys, think again because you have cute stuff here at Kitty Pons. Okay, you have cute stuff here at Kitty Pons where you have a lot of cat stuff. And it's a very nice store to go to if you're into cute and fluffy stuff. In fact, mas nauna yatang bumili dito kaysa ako. Yeah, so everything cats, no? From Funny Comics. From the Funny Comics. Nice. may trading card siya. Jeya ang gumawa. Oh. Combatron, no? May trading card na rin si Combatron. Grew up with that kid. Thank you. At nagtitipid ka ng pera, this is not the place for you. Because everything you see here, you wanna add to your collection. Ano mo yan, no? From Van Presto. Look at that. I'm not a One Piece collector, but I just might start because of this display. One of the figures or one of the toy lines na inintroduced last year na talagang nag-boom ngayon is the Minix collectible figurines. You have very popular characters like si Rambo ni Sylvester Stallone, you have Rocky Balboa, you have si Ivan Drago, and a lot of other popular figures. Somebody from Cobra Kai, si Wednesday, Messi, a lot of popular figures. They started with Voltes 5 if I'm not mistaken. And now the boom talaga sila, and now they have a lot of characters in their lineup. So if you're gonna collect something that's cute and still very collectible, Minix is the way to go. Toys are not just collectibles. It's art. And if you look around, meron tayong mga artwork din, may exhibit din. And this is the perfect manifestation of what toys really are. They're an expression of your inner child. They're an expression of an appreciation of art. Hindi lang toys ang collectibles, pati artwork na rin. So, if you look around, sobrang gaganda nila. And so if you want something hanging on your wall na hindi masyadong matakaw sa space, art. Tumataas pa ang value. If you have the room, if you have the money, if you have the space, hello. Tingin mo, kaya mo mag-collect nito? Why not, right? Look at the Sentinel. As in, help me! Yeah. Imagine may basement ka. Andun yung man cave mo. And when you open the door, etong sasalubong sa'yo. Amazing. You have Cyclops, you have Rogue, Mr. Sinister na may balbas. Mas nakakatakot si Mr. I think this is a scarier version of Mr. Sinister. And of course, Apocalypse. Angas. Wow. Now, personally, I'm an Iron Man collector. And that is a nice Iron Man statue. If I only had the space and I only had the budget. Time check. 11:31. 2 hours na tayo. 1 hour na tayo nandito sa loob. Wala pa tayo nabibili. Challenge for today is let's see how long it would take before we make our first purchase. And hopefully, when we do that purchase, we find somebody who's following the channel and we can give away one of our towels, one of our shirts, or kung ano man ang meron. So let's go around and hindi naman tayo nagpapabudol pero open tayo dun sa possibility. Palapit tayo ng palapit sa posibilidad na madadali tayo ng isang matinding budulan. I think I see a familiar name. In front of us is Jam Pack. We got some Star Wars helmets from Jam Pack. Andiyan ba si Jam? Let's see kung nandyan si Jam. Pare, kumusta? Hindi ko masabing long time no see kasi kita na tayo last time. Anong meron tayo ngayon?
Star Wars helmets pa rin. Visual.
Ito ba yung ano? Poe? Poe Dameron.
Wedge Antilles.
Oh, I just got the wedge from you there. Tapos, yung Stormtrooper. And then...
So, sir, nakasila ko ngayon.
Bo-Katan.
4-5.
Tama-tama kasi I have the dark saber from Disney, from yung Disney exclusive na lightsaber. Hari, just don't know where to put it eh. Talaga bang may battle damage siya?
Oh, sir, ito. Tapos meron ako, sir, na... Ay, may mando ka na yun, no?
May mando na ako eh. Got the mando
Bago
from...
mando. Yung Chrome. Pero hindi siya Hasbro.
Hindi siya Hasbro.
Galactic Archive. Exclusive sa Disney.
Yan yung may voice changer, may ano.
May voice changer, may voice.
How much?
9.5. Brand new. Kaso yung brand new ko nasa tagig
Ito, back in box.
At least nakita ko.
Ganda, ganda. Ito yung difference.
Oo nga eh. Babalikan kita
Sige, sir.
pag nakapag-decide ako kung dadali mo na yun sa Taguig. Okay? I'm here for 3 days din naman eh.
Sige, sir.
I'm just doing something for the channel.
Sige, sir.
For ano.
Thank you.
Pare, thank you. Thanks. Ang daming new toys inspired by old toys. Uy, another familiar face. Boss, kumusta? Sabi na nga ba nandito ka? Ando ba si ano? Si Metroplex? Pwede mo ako ikuha? Bakit? Ng mint inside? Ano ka? Hindi ko na, mula Green Hills hanggang Toycon, maasahan. Kasi old and new toys meron. Mapa-loose, mapa-MISB. One of the complete collections ng Masters of the Universe, no? Na nakita ko. Magkano nga yun, sir? Yung isang buong... Isang... Dumadaan pa sa plenaryo yun sa akin, eh. Pero magkano yun, gano'ng estimate?
Classic, parang 130.
All...
Servers, 100,000.
Pero kaya nyo naman mag-ipon ulit, eh.
Ano, may
Oo. Pero puro ano na yun. Pero okay na, collection. Sige sir, balitaan kita. Nag-ano ako eh. Either bitiwan ko yung Super 7 ko na Thundercats. Kaso ang hirap bitiwan ng Cat's Lair. Laki kasi. Matakaw talaga sa space. Pero kasi Masters of the Universe boy talaga ako ever since. Yes sir, again, thank you. Yung Metroplex, keep in touch. Ganda ng Cyclops. And the Galactus. Galactus, kamukha nung nasa movie, no?
Yes sir, movie based ko.
Ayan yung movie based.
Ito yung ano, babaeng service.
Itong recent na movie. First Steps. First Steps. Kaya pala.
Ito yung ano, babaeng version na.
Oo, si ano, yung Silver Surfer na babae. Oo. Yung actress na nasa, ano ba yun? Hindi ko maalala. Basta,
Ito si ano, basta ito si
Pedro Pascal. Siya ang bumubuhay sa Disney ngayon eh. Star Wars. Fantastic Four. Oh, meron pa eh.
Isa pa nga
Nasa lahat ng pelikula yan eh. Baka mura lang talo. Hindi kaya madaling kunin pare. Destig to. Ito yung city scene nila eh. Yung hinahabol niya si Franklin. Nice. Yung G.I. Joe ang astig eh. 4 most iconic characters aside from Roadblock, Duke, and Cobra Commander. Itong 4.
Si Roadblock wala pa. Magkakaroon niyan si Cobra Commander parating pa lang.
Sinong Cobra Commander? Yung hooded o yung
Hooded.
yung armor? Yung may silver face?
Tama. Hooded. Hindi yung nakamaskara na payat na.
Actually, yung hooded, iniiwasan sa US yun eh. Kasi parang crook, parang KKK daw eh. Mukhang KKK, mukhang racist eh. But this is nice. So, again, Destro is underrated, so is Flint. Pero sila yung mga magagandang tier 2 characters eh. Kasi lumalabas talaga ang pagka-geek natin pag ganun ano. I'm Joseph, by the way.
Jeffrey, sir.
Jeffrey, maraming salamat. Is it okay to show this on our video for our channel?
Ay, nice.
Thank you. We'll do a shout out. F&J Toy Collectibles.
Thank you, sir.
First ko nakita to. Movie accurate. Iron Studios ano?
Yes, sir.
Iron Studios na Galactus from Fantastic Four First Steps, yung pinakahuling movie. Hindi yung movie ni Miles Teller na. Yun yung mga movies na hindi dapat ginawa eh. Nice. 60K lang ha. So affordable siya for...
Ano siya? Demi scale, 120 scale.
Oh, ganda tsaka ganda ng accent ng Human Torch.
Mas malaki pa siya sa 1 foot eh.
Oo.
Scale na
Nice. Pero yung Cyclops, angas. Thank you. Thank you, man. So, dito sa may bandang gitna, we have small foods that you can eat. Burgers, hot dogs, and drinks. And may barbecue, Reyes Barbecue dito. Oh, may Escobar Steakhouse. So, kung may pera ka pa na natira sa pamimili ng toys at gusto mo mag-steak ka. May siopaw. You have cheeseburger, dim sum, lahat na rin nabibili. Lechon Joy, no? Pampabata, para sa mga isip bata na mamamatay ng bata. Pag nag-init na ang ulo nyo sa presyo ng toys, palamig kayo rito. And they have, may spam musubi, may sandwich, may empanada, and they have fresh strawberries. Try natin yung orange juice. Thank you. Wow na ako. Tututuyo ang lalamunan ko sa mga laruang to. Okay. Tama-tama. Tama-tama. Parang may kilala ako dito. Ito si Triple M. Excuse me. Sir, kumusta? Kamusta?
Ikaw sir, kumusta?
Eto, punta lang for the vlog pero hindi ko alam kung mabubudol ako.
Meron dyan sir, marami dyan.
Oh, yung Sentinel na andyan pa oh. Nag-isa na lang.
Yan
May,
yung
may isa na kasi ako.
dagdagan mo pa.
Baka magulpi ako eh.
Hindi naman siguro sir. Magkano nga bigay ko sa inyo?
Hindi ko na maalala eh. 44 oh.
Bigay ko sa iyo ngayon ng 41.
Kailangan may alak to para Pero sir, nice to see you again. Masaya ako dun sa lightsaber na nakuha ko sa inyo. Hopefully this year ma-feature namin siya sa unboxing.
Ano yun sir?
Ganda nung lalo yung Obi-Wan. Hirap na hanapin. Thank you again, thank you.
Thank you sir.
We're Boom Cosmic. I'm Nero. This is Boom Cosmic. So we have today a demo game.
Okay.
If you get the highest score today, tomorrow, and or Sunday, meron kaming exclusive na free toys.
Okay.
So Bucky and Starlight na trophy, that's our characters, and isang slab. They
Oh, it's
both-
your own character.
Yeah, these are our own characters. And
Okay.
then, ito, you'll see even it says day 1, day 2, and day 3 kasi one of one silang lahat.
Oh.
So what you do is, first game, free, just follow us on Instagram, Boom Cosmic. And then, every time you buy either sticker or toys, ganyan, you get another chance.
Okay. So
kasi-
your purchase allows you to play.
Play, yeah.
Okay.
First one's free. And then, when you play and you get the highest score for today, announce namin sa IG yun mamayang gabi, 7 o'clock.
Okay.
If you're the highest score, and then we contact you, we'll send you the toys and the
Oh.
card. And then we have another game here. Ito yung do you have na thumb wrestling? Meron din kami, same IP, pero thumb wrestling naman siya, physical na game.
Thumb wrestling.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Pili kayo ng character.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Tapos yung rules here,
Wow. Okay.
first to 3.
This is
Yan, diba? Yan. So, yan si...
meron siyang
sige, let's try. Yan.
Okay.
So, ang rules is first to 3.
Okay.
Pag na-pin mo yung kalaban mo, classic, 1, 2, 3, that's 1 point.
Okay.
Pag na-unmask mo, natanggal yung mask, that's 2 points.
Okay.
So, you only need race to 3 to win. Okay, sige. So,
Okay. Oh.
Ito, ayan. Okay na muna nito.
Concept ang pwede namin video.
Sure. Of course.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, fight! 1, 2. Okay.
Oy.
Unmask. Okay, so 2
Okay.
points ka yan. Okay, so round 2.
Yung character ko may may ponytail eh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Diba sir? 1, 2, 3.
Wala.
Okay, panalo.
Nadali ng
Congratulations.
Ano yan?
May iba pang
Age.
characters, matatay.
Age. Signs of aging. Benefit of the gout.
So yun, may these are also for sale.
Benefit of the gout yung panalo ko, pare. Nagbira ko kahapon eh.
Hanap pa kayo ng mga kalaban na So ito yung mga characters.
Panalo sana ako, nakapag-alo po rin ako.
Nakita ko pa eh.
Nakaka-relate ka, Brad?
Kumain akong beef kanina eh.
Sabi nga ni,
Laban.
sabi nga ni, may Malaysian comedian, sabi niya, may gout daw siya. So ang superpower niya, he can turn beef into jewelry. Kasi nagiging crystals, pare. Nice. It's a very nice take on ano. Alam mo yun, pag brown out, wala kayong mapaglaruan.
So,
But this is
makalaro ng video game. Ito. Diba? Parang meron din yung physical aspect.
Yeah, I mean, it gets people interacting both digitally and physically. I'll definitely come back for this because it's a nice gift for my niece and my nephew. Yeah. Tell you what, I haven't made a purchase the whole day. I'll make one today. This is the first time. Can I get yung ganito?
Okay, ring.
Hindi ko man lang tinanong kung magkano, no? How much nga yun yung ring?
So, ring is...
100 po. Tapos, ang gawin na lang natin dito, gawin mo na, isama mo dito, para 1,000.
Fine. Sige. Let's get this. And then let's get 2 characters.
Okay,
One for
characters is 250.
one for a girl and one for a boy. Para ano?
Okay, sige.
Para dun sa niece and nephew
Gusto
ko.
kayo ng characters kunin namin yung new stock.
Siguro we'll get the
There are new friends.
we'll get the blue and the yellow na lang.
Blue and the yellow. Okay, so si Lisa and Bunny and si ano.
Nice. How much do I owe you?
Okay, total.
Tapos, 250 dito yung
Yeah.
unless, 1,500 po.
1.5.
And then,
Papa, Papa said you're going to buy me Papa.
oh, okay, why?
Stickers na dito, 100 lang maliit.
We'll come back na lang for that. Pero ito for my pampasalubong ko sa Singapore.
Okay, sige,
Yeah.
sige. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
Connect
you.
na lang tayo sa
Yeah.
Instagram.
We also have
Looking forward to-
we have a YouTube, a Facebook, an Instagram, and a TikTok
Okay,
channel. So I'll get in touch with you.
Alright.
Thank you. So first budol, hindi natin na-expect. In fact, hindi natin toyline, pero pasalubong natin for Connor and for Yana. Nice old game, pero may magandang variation. Hello. Wow. So that's a white Darth Vader.
Yes, it's a Jedi version.
Oh, if he was it.
It's from the Infinity's storyline. But it's on my character's Sentinel.
Ah, nice. Okay. Talagang art toys are the way to go na ngayon. No? Besides, you have to support the artists. Masyado na maraming pera si Hasbro. Kasi, bibili pa rin tayo ng Hasbro.
Yeah.
This is, I just became curious, no? Okay, nung bata kasi ako, ang lolo ko, meron yung parang wine dispenser ng batang umiihi. Hindi ko, yun ba yung inspiration nito? Or,
Well, marami po talagang mga, yung mga statue ng mga angel.
okay. Okay, mga cherubim na umiihi. Okay.
Kahit yung kapitbahay po namin, sa may poste lang po sa...
Well, we all did that.
Standard naman sa Filipino kid eh.
Yun ang joys of being a boy. Poste, pwede na yan. Tapos may damadaan ngayon, may ilawan ka. Uy. Pero how did you come up with the name? Gisado at iba pa. It's very...
Ang gisado po kasi, di ba, is saute.
Saute.
You can saute almost everything, just in the basics.
Correct. Mantika, bawang, yeah.
So ito, parang ano lang siya, isa siyang sandbox of editing.
So all of your ideas coming into the pot and just,
Yes.
getting blended together. Nice.
It's a finished product, it's gisado.
Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina I was doing my intro na Filipino toy community is not just about toys. It's about ideas. It's about a play with words. It's very witty. Ang toy collector ng Pilipinas hindi lang sa hoarder ng plastic. Toy, siya, nag-iisip siya, artist din siya, they appreciate art. Kaya medyo malaki yung market natin sa art toys eh. Nice. I'm Joseph, by the way. Justin and Mix. Maraming salamat. Salamat. Thank you. We'll do a shout out on the channel. Hindi pa naman ganun kalaki pero very interesting. May LPG pa
Guns po yan, kalaban.
Okay.
Mostly Filipino culture yung datingan.
Nice. Well, Filipino culture like Filipino food is starting to take off in the world, no? Yeah.
Lalo with food.
Lalo yung, bakit ang panghin ng halaman ko? Sabi ng nanay mo, hindi ka na mabot sa CR, no?
Mas tumutubong halaman sa ihi.
Oh, exactly. Urea. Yeah, it's fertilizer. At natural yan kasi galing sa tao. mas maraming puno, mas maraming bunga tong makopa na to kaysa doon sa isa. Kaya lagi ko iniihiyan. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
GC Toy Collectibles. Suki natin to sa Green Hills, no? And nandito din sila sa Toycon. They have a lot of things na wala tayo sa collection. Na hindi natin nakita sa Green Hills. Hindi ko alam bakit. No? Pero a lot of X-Men, a lot of Marvel Legends. Ayun, Voltes 5 na Legacy. And then yung Voltes 5 na 50th anniversary. Wow. Okay. Meron na po. Thank you. May mga G.I. Joes din, pero may mga anime. And then may mga mecha. Oh, ito. Hard to find na Camp Big Falcon.
Yan sir, 5-5 lang yan sir. Pagkano pumatangit lang?
Sa Green Hills ako sa inyo, sir, bumibili. 5.5 na ngayon yan, ha? Ito yung mga 3D printed na Meron ako yan, kompleto ako galing sa inyo. Kayo lang gumagawa niyan eh.
Walang iba nagpapainit.
Wala, iba. Kaya lang ito nabali. Yung weapon niya. May tibad lang ng mga tapat. Okay, people ask me, what's the most expensive item on our collection? Individually, ito yung Robosen na Grimlock. Self-transforming. It's almost 75k. Ngayon lang ako nakakita na kasing value ni Grimlock, pero card. 75,000. Ayun, At may mas mahal with 102,000 na Pikachu. Mas mahal pa sa Grimlock na Robosen. Toy collecting is not just about getting things. No? It's about art. And ito, one clear example where art meets sustainable environment protection. They created the Voltes 5. Made out of recycled materials. No? Mga plastic na ni-repurpose. Okay. Siyempre, Toycon, may nagko-cosplay. Okay. So, recycled materials, plastic, mukhang bottles and Davis paint na shoutout kay Davis baka yan. A lot of recycled materials and ginawa nilang Voltes 5. Nice. Gaano katagal ginawa kaya to? Sir, is this for sale? Pero gaano katagal ginawa ito? 6 months. If ever ibebenta siya, may presyo ba siya? Magkano yon?
Piso na lang, 999.
Oh, 999,000. Hanapin ko muna sa saldi ko. May reward daw si Bato eh. Harap tayo. Pero again, it's made of recycled materials. 999,000. You can't put a price on art. You can't put a price on innovation. You can't put a price on creativity. Yun. Walang presyo ang creativity. Maganda. 1 million daw. Thank you. Mga celebrity ng toy community, si Jonathan.
Alam mo naman tayo.
Ito pare, ito simpleng adik lang.
Babalik ako, isa to sa mga nagmamahal kay Panga.
Oh, of course.
Kita rin lang.
Chef, oh.
Ayun
Okay. Sir,
Ayun
dito ka, meron tayong hand towel.
Yes.
Pare.
Thank you.
Chef, sa'yo na rin.
Ay, chef.
Oh. Okay. Yung yung mouse pad, nasa bahay pa.
Okay lang.
Hindi mo na babalikan.
Kalapit lang naman.
Oo. Pa-autograph ka na, Re. Iba ka na.
Iba ka na. Ganun pa rin.
Sira yung art collection mo dyan.
Wala ka pa ba?
Tabi mo kay Quicks yan.
Pero ka, gago ka. Kay Tito Nami.
Nasa banyo.
Si Tito Nami sa kabila, huwag niyo pupuntahan. Bakit? Item niyo.
Sariling stante pa yan.
Ayun Tara.
Kasama ko mga celebrity ng toy community, pare. Si Pangs, di mo na maabot yan, pare. Pero yan, bait pa rin yan. May sarili ka ng toys, pare. Galing, galing, galing. Congratulations.
Chef, thank you.
Sige na nga. Welcome.
Fish si Chef Eric may ano rin yan, may page din siya.
Oh.
Oh, page.
Oh.
Napakasarap
Okay.
magluto. Totoo.
May restaurant ka, chef?
Wala, pero nagagawa ko resort.
Gagawa ka ng resort.
Show kami.
Oh, huwag mo pupuntahin si Panga doon.
Then lang yung nasa bahay.
Lagi ba nandun?
Tikman ko na, ang sarap.
Oy.
Punta sa bahay.
Sige, sige.
Dubali area.
Ano, Valley? Nice meeting you, nice meeting you.
Sir, thank you.
Go, 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 go.
Respeto ako ng field eh.
Ano?
Trabaho.
Hindi, shipping ako eh.
Kasi shipping ka ba?
Oo, malayo, pare.
Sa construction pala si Chef.
Oo.
Private.
Okay. Hindi ka naman papatawag ng Senate anytime.
Ayaw ko nang
Malinis.
Mahirap.
Ayaw ko nag-ano.
Laruan lang ang bisyo natin. Laruan
Oo.
lang.
Ako chicks eh. Hindi ako minsan eh. Laruan sa
May kasi... kumakain kang sisiw? Sisiw. Nagkala kang sisiw.
Ay, camera. Buburahin niyo yan ha. Malalaman na asawa ko.
Tandaan nyo, naka-high mind siya ngayon.
Oo naman.
Dati
High
high lang siya.
May friend high mind. So high lang.
Pare. Bumalik tayo.
Chef, thank you. See you mamaya. Bibili ako ng tote bag eh. Sabi ko kay Carlos, bilan ako.
Pagtabihan mo ako, chef.
Next video ko. Thank you very
Tatabing
much.
yung tote bag ni Fix. Ang ganda.
Nakita ko nga eh.
Saka ano lang.
Kaya mas gusto ko yung tote bag ng ano ba yun, yung sa Amerika,
Yung alin?
yung tote bag lang na canvas, binibenta na
Dito,
para Louis
meron
Vuitton. Hindi ko alam.
Magkano naman yun? Tanong.
Oh. Pare. Tanyo to, Jonathan's Toys. Ito ang patunay na from humble beginnings, marami kang mararating. Basta maayos ka makipag-usap sa customer,
Oo.
marunong kang makipagkaibigan sa toy community because this is more than just a hobby, it's a community.
Oo.
May sarili na siyang art toy. Balang araw, yung value nito, ganun pa rin.
Ganun, bababa. Oo. Tandaan nyo, mas kailangan nyo ng kaibigan kaysa pera.
Tandaan niya, oh. Pero lang yung kaibigan niya na utang ng utang.
Oo.
Pare, congrats.
Ano ba?
Hindi.
Ba yun?
Bibili ako.
Bibili ka, may pera pa ako sa'yo.
Bibili, hindi. Okay lang yun.
Totoo.
Tsaka
Yung
na,
mga TS mo dyan.
okay lang yun, pare. Alam mo naman ako, para lang magkaroon ako ng space, bibigay. Suporta tayo sa kaibigan, pare. Okay, sige. Kuha mo ako isa.
May ano pa
Tama.
6, 10. Namang may mas ano.
Oy, numbered pa. Wala nga 7. O sige, kay Jaworski tayo, pare. Sige.
Magtira kayo ng isa kasi for pre-order wala tayong display.
Huwag yung pag... Ito lang ang collectible na pag pinirmahan nung may-ari, bumaba
Bago
value.
mo pirmahan. Gusto mo bang pirmahan ko to? Baka mamaya ayaw mo.
Pirmahan mo na.
Baka nag-feeling na tayo, bigay ng bigay sa akin ito.
Baka ma-offend ka eh.
Baka wala na sa inyo.
Huwag mong pirmahan mo. Diyan naman, no?
Hindi nga. Bigyan ko nga.
Ako nga pirmahan mo.
Dito ba?
Doon sa hindi halata.
Sa likod.
Okay.
Yung ano ko,
Ano?
yung mousepad.
Oh, yung mousepad ko. Ari, mapadala ko sa'yo. Magkano yan?
10K.
Tado ka. Hi ka na naman.
Kapag mga kaibigan, tinutubuan ko ng malaki. Kasi maraming pera mga kaibigan ko eh.
Rehab. Paparehab na kita eh.
Wala, negative tayo.
Sa COVID lang pa kasi din.
Sa COVID.
Magkano nga? Seryoso?
29.
2.9, okay. Ayan.
Pag binenta nyo yung isa, pag siuwi na kayo lahat wala tayong pang sample dito.
Ba't wala na ba? Akala ko marami yan.
Hindi, kaya kailangan na lang pang-display for free.
Kaya ka pala nagpabarya sa akin, susuklian mo rin ako. Sa akin nagpabarya ka rin.
Wala di ba?
Meron pang 2 item sa bahay, dali ko bukas.
Pwede ko, actually.
Dali ko bukas.
Lahat ng sobra, ibigay dito.
Lahat na nabuksan, na hindi na wala na mapaglagyan, dalhin dito.
Hey brother, come
Ayan, oh. Sige, hindi na kita istorbo, pare. Ikot mo na kami.
diba? Chat na lang tayo. Thank you, love you.
I'm Joseph, by the way.
Are you Jay?
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Because I've been to Australia, a few years ago. So, yeah, but nice. Because I have a niece. She's 4 or 5.
Yep.
She's into puzzles now. So I saw this. I was like, this is gonna be perfect for her because you gotta trick the brain to continue working.
Yeah.
I've done these puzzles. Oh, they're half a meter wide, about
Yeah.
700 tall.
Yep.
Because the colors are very interesting.
Yes.
I mean, even the ones with the brown, they still pop.
They still,
They still pop.
Yeah.
I love the dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one we had to make really high definition was when blown up. Very, pixels, very small. So very highly pixelated. So what you see is actually what you get.
It's nice.
And you see, like,
Really
even
nice.
with the yellow and that
Yeah,
one,
I mean,
like, how
even the quality of the
yeah.
printout.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the laminate, normally it's the one that gives out.
Yeah.
The
And
first-
that one's still together because we had to pull it apart, but you can see they
Yeah.
fit in.
How much do they cost?
We're going to do a special price for the conference
Okay.
of 800 and 850 peso. 850 peso, 800 peso.
Oh, okay. 850, 800. This is 800 or this is 800?
No, this is the 850.
This is 850.
These are the second generation.
Second
Oh,
gen
yeah.
where we took a lot more time.
Yeah. And we put the animals in.
This one looks. I think Yana's gonna
You
like
like
this
it?
one.
Everyone, a lot of people
This
go
is-
through thrilled up.
But personally,
They have a magnetic lock.
oh,
Yep.
so you can put them back.
that one.
It's like put them on a bookshelf.
Yeah.
And they've
Put
got
them
the
on a
bag
bookshelf.
instead of like the
They have a
plastic.
bag.
Fantastic.
Plastic.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
they come covered in plastic like
They
this.
come covered in plastic like that, but yeah.
Okay.
So what we want to do is try and do really quality product. We're developing these teddy bears. So that's this teddy bear. This
Yeah.
one's coming soon.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
They're not for sale yet.
Oh, they're not for sale yet. Okay.
Actually, only the
He's our
When,
prototype.
when they do go on sale, can I get the exclusive?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe
I'm gonna
in
get.
2 months, this-
Let me get a couple of puzzles. Let's get two.
It's like AI generated puzzles.
Right now, we've only got these ones. We get them
Yeah.
online and we ship. But we're selling these on the last day.
Okay.
Our display ones, because we have to come from Australia.
Of course, of course.
Do you want to write your email
Sure.
down?
And we'll
Okay.
get in contact with you. And
Perfect. Yeah. I'll be here until the third day because I'm doing stuff for the channel.
We're here for the full
we're
three.
here for the full 3. So at the end, you can come grab them and we'll sell them to you.
Yeah.
But we're going to do a special coded
But if you
price on the website where you can buy these puzzles for this price. Because Australian dollar is much higher. So
Okay.
we want to keep them cheap. We want everyone to have them.
But
Okay.
with your email, we can send you,
Perfect.
a first sneak peek of the new puzzles.
Yeah,
Now,
great.
with 2,000 piece puzzle.
Because my nephew and my niece, they're both turning out to be a collector like their uncle.
Yep.
We're selling the store out the front. And
I love the quality. The picture just pops.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's a fun thing to do for the family. Tomorrow, we will be going around the Toy-Con. One of our selected stores would be Jedi Prime Collectible. 324.
Saka 320.
320.
Kabila.
Kabila. Agusan yan. And if ever you get a chance to catch me while I'm here and you're buying something, you might actually get either a limited edition na merch and even a prize. So, tsempuan nyo ako pag andito kayo at andito rin ako at bumili kayo.
Hindi importante.
Might be your lucky day. No.
Yeah.
Si Ryan. Pare.
Thank you, thank you.
Uy, sir. Ryan.
Hi, Ryan Bam. Nice meeting you.
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Balita ka.
Yan ang umibili sa akin, ha?
Yeah.
Hindi, okay lang.
Oo nga, oo. Transformers, di ba? Oo.
Wala, hindi na rin
Hindi na ako masyado nagto-Transformers, pare. Napunta na ako ng Star Wars.
Nakikita ko sa channel.
Oo. Long. Ay, dali. Ano size yung t-shirt mo?
Magkano?
Hindi, wala. Ano size yung t-shirt mo? Dati ko supplier. We used to buy a lot of things from him.
Ay, nakaano yan?
Oh, for the channel.
Ryan.
Ryan, oh.
Sir Joseph.
Nakasir ka pa, pare. Anong ang size ng t-shirt mo? Oo, ang size ng
Huwag
t-shirt.
nagkamali. Binay.
Ang size ng t-shirt mo, pare.
Siguro XL na lang ako, sir.
XL.
Sir, wala akong in-exchange.
Wala, pare, wala.
Some other time.
Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta mo sa bisyo ko.
Oo naman. Siyempre, ko pa ba?
Oo.
Long time.
Oo, pare.
Time na.
Next time. Pag-message ka sa akin pag may bago ka.
Dito,
Hindi, pag meron.
grabe.
Oo. Daming beses na ako nabudol eh. Nice to finally meet you, pare.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you.
Nakapit na, kalakalaan ng farm. Dito tayo ulit sa katabi ni Jedi Prime din. Yung Jonathan's Toys, 325, tsaka 326C. If ever nandito ako, at nandito kayo, at bumili kayo, you might get a chance to win merch or even special prize. So, kung ano man yun, malalaman nyo bukas. Second day ng ToyCon. Here at Jonathan's Toys. Sa kaibigan kong celebrity na may sarili ng laruan. Napagod na. Mamaya, pag energized na yan, iba na ginawa niyan.
Thank you! Oh, di ba? Thank you, totally cool. Brother Joseph.
Nainggit sa mga mata niya.
Bakit? Baka ba pangalan nyo? Bale.
Kaya mo, sa susunod na paggawa, kasama ka na sa lista, pare. The Joker.
Pag hindi ka na-impress sa mga photo, so good. Kasi, si Darth Vader,
Ito yung ano, no? Red 5.
Yes, sir.
Ito yung may ano ako, did I may ganda?
Hindi, sir. May isa pa akong parating.
Okay, so yun ang sa akin. Okay. Hindi umabot yung lightsaber, no?
Sir, di umabot ko yun eh.
Okay lang, sige. Okay. I'll get the Joker na.
Selena Kyle, boss. Selena Kyle, boss. I-package ko na, 5,000.
Ayoko kay Selena Kyle muna.
Sir, gusto mo na ano, in art,
Meron na ako niyan.
TTK.
Meron na ako niyan. Pero Joker, naghahanap din kasi ako ng ano. If you guys can help me find yung movie version ng Two-Face tsaka ng Jim Carrey na McFarlane na Riddler. Hindi, yung Riddler na green kasi yung Riddler na white may nakita na ako eh. Tapos yung dalawa. Tsaka si Two-Face. No. Si Scarecrow.
Sige, sir.
Na movie version. So yun ang kinukomplete ko ngayon.
Sige pala to. I-check out na lang po namin kung ano meron.
Oo.
Itong Red 5 kasi ito yung for Toy-Con talaga. Pero may parating kasi ako na isa pa.
Yung Batpod nito ni Selena Kyle, yan din yung lumabas na Batpod na may Christian Bale, di ba?
Ay, wala tang... Meron ba?
Hindi, may Batpod na...
Hindi ko na namin.
Hindi, meron kasi ako nung 6-pack.
Okay.
Oh, so...
Yung lahat ng movie.
Oh, so I'm looking for their villains.
Penguin, may lumabas na. Meron ka na?
Penguin, may naka-order ako.
Meron rin retail.
Oo. May retail na rin?
Oo.
Kaya may pre-order na ako eh. Dodoble na naman. 2.5, no?
2.5 lang.
Okay, first boodle of the day.
Totoo ba yan, sir? First Poodle?
Oo, pare. First boodle, boy naman ako dito sa inyo.
Ginaganyan sa Green Hills, no?
Ginaganyan sa Green Hills. So, pero pag sa misis mo, ginaganon ka. Bili ka ng bili. Wala ka ng paglagyan. Hey, pare. Nice. Anong name mo ulit, sorry? Martin. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Kung ano man.
Sige, sir.
Pare,
Ano na lang po.
dami ko na kasing helmet eh.
Sir, ayun na, short rover helmet. Andyan ka na, sir.
Ang dami ko na ngang helmet eh. Pero hindi pa rin ako kayang protektahan yan pag pinahalo na ulo ko sa... Laruan na naman!
Pwede naman sir.
Sige, pag-iisipan ko pa yan. Naghahanap pa ako ng paglalagyan sa bahay.
Sige, sir.
Balita. Ay, dami hot toys oh.
Star Wars.
Oo.
Wala.
Ito nagsimula sa akin sa Star Wars lightsabers. Hanggang ngayon mask na ako, nag-helmet na ako.
Puro helmet ka na eh.
Nakuha ko kay Jam.
Pag helmets talaga guys,
Jam pack. Jam pack. Pero this guy started me with lightsabers. Hanggang ngayon, classic na classic yung Count Dooku, pare.
Sobrang hard to find nun.
Sobrang hard. Wala na ako makita ngayon. In fact,
Pero na-complete mo na yan, bro, no?
wala pa akong Palpatine.
Yun yung medyo gold.
Gold, kaya...
Mahirap rin na yun.
Pero yung Mace Windu, malaking bagay. Malaking bagay yung Mace Windu.
Pero lahat yun naka-display.
Hindi pa. Naka-box pa rin. Sa kakuha na ako from Singapore.
From Singapore.
Cal Kestis.
Ano yun? Hasbro ba siya?
Oo, Disney.
Exclusive.
Susi. Natatanggal yung ano, natatanggal yung blade.
Kumbaga parang ikaw yung nag-build.
Yeah.
Kung nun.
Tsaka Ahsoka. Dalawa, oo. Tapos yung Dark Saber meron
Ano
din.
yung white na or...
White na. Dalawang. Tapos hindi siya yung di ba, round normally. Yun medyo parang parang oval, oo. Parang samurai.
Saan ka bro? Pili ka lang. Pero no pressure yun.
No. Yan no pressure mo. Pa isa-isa lang muna. Pero pag ginawa mo ng lahat, okay yan.
Bigyan ka na discount.
So dito tayo, Sith Guy Hobby Shop,
Booth R31.
Booth R31, si Ezekiel. Uy! Di ko kayo maintindihan. If you're here and I'm here and you can answer a question, you get a special prize and maybe something else. So, see you tomorrow. Pag na-champuan nyo kami dito, come to this booth. Pare. I got something for you. Ano bang size ng shirt mo?
XL. Ay, finally, meron ng...
2XL na lang, bro.
Any okay naman eh. Finally, meron ako shirt. Thank you, bro.
Salamat sa panglalason sa akin sa pero hindi, are. I'm probably one of the few people in the Philippines na may ganong karaming lightsaber. Thanks to you. Sige, are. I see you tomorrow.
Punch. Shoot.
Okay.
Pwede kayo mag-double jump. Yung B walang action.
Okay.
Ito yung walk. Back to me.
Ha? Patay ka agad. Ano ba yan? Oh. Sige, last pa.
Last one. Okay, last.
It's not that easy.
Mahirap siya. Bibiglayin din ako. Ano yung nilalagyan?
Double kill yun eh. Stupid. Thank you. Let's see how it goes. Okay, seryoso na.
Okay.
Parang kanina hindi pa eh. Yun ang laging eh.
Yung may spot dyan lagi nahuhulog.
Oo eh.
Yan yung sa gitna ng toys. Lagi may nahuhulog doon eh. Akat ka sa platform sure sa mag-next phase din. Not bad.
Not bad. 3-3. Alright, thank you so much. So that wraps up our first day of ToyCon 2026 Nexus. ToyCon Nexus 2026. And we will be back again tomorrow with special prizes for subscribers and followers. If you get the chance, machempohan ninyo ako tomorrow sa Sith Guy Hobby Shop, Jedi Prime Collectibles, Jonathan's Toys, and DMN Hobbies. You may get a chance to win a prize. So, if you get, nandun ako, andun kayo at bumili kayo, meron tayong prize for people who will be subscribing to the channel. So, ito pagod, pero masaya. Marami pa tayong aabangan tomorrow, tsaka sa Sunday. I'll see you then. Remember, toys are not just cool, they're totally cool. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.